Hi, this is Chad Wyatt, and I'm going to take you through the new reputation management video template. And I'm going to go ahead and reload this so get the right settings. But it defaults to certain colors and that type of thing. And a new thing in this template, if you've seen the other ones, is you can now pick from a male or female character. So I'm going to first start by getting my key here. And I'll just paste that in. If I press load, I'll see the usage and the videos that I have access to. So this key has access to the reputation management template, which is the one I'm on right now. And then, so once I've entered that, I will also be able to actually render the video. I'm going to go with, I'll just go with the standard color. And then something new in this one is the female character, so I'll go ahead and switch to female, and let's just change this to say salon. So this text over here reflects the text that's right here. So when I change this to salon, when the video previews and renders, this will actually say salon. And then also you'll see the female character version wherever you see the guy here. So I'll change this to salon, and most of this should be fine. You'll see the output when it's done. Scrolling through here. And let's see, you've worked hard in your salon. We can be a little more specific there. And that is it. So notice there are some unused slides here. So if you want to add slides wherever you see the unused ones, if you need the extra slides, you can just type your text in here and then give it a time value right there. Now I can go ahead and preview. You can't hear it right now, but I can. So give it a name. And then once you've previewed it and everything looks correct, you can go ahead and either create or download it. But if there's something you see you need to change, you can hit the back button. And then if you need to change anything here, you can go ahead and change that. And then when you've made the changes you need, you can go ahead and hit preview again. It should keep my name here. So once you confirm that everything looks the way you want it, go ahead and hit create/download, and it'll be added to the render queue right here. I can go back, and that'll keep rendering here. So now if you want to go ahead and do another one, you can do a restaurant, coffee shop. We can do another one. Let's see here. Now I've got to go down here and edit where it says salon. And change this to coffee shop. Okay, so again, all this text is editable. As far as the content, the only thing you can't change the font size or the font face with this template, possibly in a future template, but pretty much what you see is what you get. And you can change the timing of the slide. So if you add a lot of text to a slide, you can increase the time if you want. So go ahead and preview this one. My reputation, or the salon one, is still rendering, but now I can just change this to coffee shop. And go ahead and create/download and go back. Okay, so now we have two that are rendering. One thing I didn't do is I didn't switch it to the male, which is fine. You can go male or female. And once these are done, these will appear as links here. If you happen to hit the load button, or let's say you refresh the page, and let me get my key again. Okay, and I hit load, you'll see that these are rendering. And then, however, this will not automatically update. So the best thing to do is to wait for that rendering queue to finish. But if you happen to be here, you could mistakenly wait forever for this to finish. So if you go ahead and hit load again, now I see that this first one is actually done and I can download it, click on it to download. And then eventually this one will finish and you'll need to refresh, just hit load, the load button. And then when that's done, you will see the link appear. Okay, I've waited a minute or two, so this should be done. If I hit load again, you'll see this link updated. So there's my past renderings. I can go ahead and click on this to download it. And then when that is done, I'll open it up briefly just to make sure everything looks right. Let's see here. Okay, so here it is. Go ahead and mute that for my own benefit. So there's the video. Now you can take it, you can upload it to YouTube, put it on video hosting sites, and then that'll make it easy for you to get on your website. Go ahead and close that. One other note is if you have any trouble, I normally can just click on this link and it'll download. Now, if you have trouble with that, go ahead and right click and use the menu. Usually there's a save link as or save as or save target as or something like that in here. If you do that, it'll download it rather than open it in your web browser. So, all right, well, thanks for checking out the overview.